What's up, everyone? Digital devices are increasingly becoming a more and more important part of our lives. And protecting our laptops, monitors, and computers is becoming increasingly more important. Well, worry not, we have a security solution for you today. I'd like to introduce two incredible devices that will protect your devices and keep them safe. CAKWCLK and CANWCLK, two powerful wedge cable lock systems to safeguard all of your important digital devices. While the CAKWCLK uses a lock and key to lock your devices, CANWCLK uses a numbered dial to keep them nicely locked and protected. Both the cables are strong, sturdy, with a length of 2 meters. The best part is that they're incredibly easy to install. They're compatible with all the devices with a built-in Noble wedge lock slot. You'll get 2 keys with the CAKWCLK to lock your devices with ease. The CANWCLK works on a dial system with a 4-number combination system, a reset button, a locking hook, and a release button. You can also reset it back to its original position with a simple screwdriver. So get your CAKWCLK or CANWCLK today and ensure the complete safety of all your digital products. I'll see you soon with another cool new Cadyce product. Take care.